In this video, you will learn how to draw a multi-view diagram in Auto CAD. So, what you need to do, first step in Auto CAD is to set the limits. Set your limits: lower left corner 0, 0 and upper right corner 210, 297. Then zoom all. So that's how you set up your model space. Then by using line command, draw the front view or the top view, as it depends. So in that case, the front view, the width is 130 and the height is 50. So make a rectangular box so that you will be able to do your drawing in this 130 by 50 rectangular box. So starting from the left, as it has been shown, the height width is 13 and then the height is 25, again 47 and then 25 and 13 again, and come back on as it is shown. 20 plus 5 is 25, so it will end up here at 25. Now how to find out the distance between of this, as 25 minus 10 is 15, so from the base it is 15 and then join it, and so that distance will come 10. That's how you use, and then use the command fillet, giving the radius of 10. Select the first object and the second object, so you have a radius of R10. Now the thing is trim the unwanted region using a trim command. Now move on, draw the construction line X line to draw the top view from the every corner in the front view. Press enter to escape, and then by using again the line command, draw top view wherever it seems to be perfectly oriented. In that case, the depth is 60, the width is 130. Draw a rectangular box here as well, and then draw the remaining portion in there, as it has shown the depth of 15 using offset, given a distance of 15. Offset this line below and a distance of 15, and this line above same at a distance of 15 as well. And now trim that region that is not necessary using these lines. Using trim command, trim those lines that are unwanted or unnecessary. Then join the lines using a line command. As these are construction line, you have to draw a line above the construction line as well. So whenever you remove the construction line, your object is still there. Now move on using offset, given as the given radius is 30. Offset this line at a distance of 30 from the right and the top as well. So you'll have the midpoint where you can draw your arc of radius 30. So you select from the arc start, center, end, giving the start point, center point and the end point. So you'll have an arc of R30 at a distance of 30. Then remove these lines and again draw the circle as is given of diameter 22, having the same center point. So draw a circle of radius 11 or a diameter of 22. Now for the right side view, using X line and then use the angle A, giving the angle 45, and then on this right edge at any point you can draw the construction line at an angle of 45. Then using again the X line, draw the horizontal line from every corner of the top view and from the front view as well, and then draw the vertical line using X line at the intersection. So you'll have a rectangular box that shows a space for your right side view. Now one by one draw the X line from every part. Don't go all of them at once because it will mix up and you will not be able to find the space between them. So draw one by one and keep drawing your right side view. As in this case the height is 20 as shown on the pictorial view, so you use the height of 20 and then again X line, horizontal, this part, draw line here as well, and now for the circle using X line, draw a line, horizontal line from the center of the circle and then the tangent of the circle. Then again next line, draw a vertical line from the intersection. So you'll have these lines for the right side view. Draw these lines, draw lines above the construction lines and it will space exactly where it is. So you have to find out its position accurately. Now remove the construction lines so you'll be able to find out your top, front and right views. So here you have the front view, right side view and the top. As in the front view you don't draw the construction lines for the circle, so draw these construction line on the front view for the front view, and this line is also missing on the right side view, so you draw these line as well. Then again using line command, draw a line above the construction lines, Now remove these construction lines and all of the visible lines are drawn. The second step in the top view, trim these lines that is not necessary. So remove these lines using trim command or delete the lines that are not being able to trim. The second thing is draw layers. Go to the layer and layer properties, create new layer and rename them hidden line. Again create new layer and rename them as dimension line, and the last one is center line. Go to the line type and change the line types by going to the load, select the hidden line, press OK and then choose the hidden line OK. And then for dimension line, as it is a continuous line, stays as it is, and for the center line, go to the properties, load center line and then choose the center. And then the line weight, change the visible line weight to 70 millimeter, 0.7 millimeter, and the remainings are 0.35 millimeter, as it has a ratio 1:2 between the visible line and the hidden line. Now select the lines that are supposed to be hidden in the views top, front, right. Select these lines, go to the layer properties and then make it hidden, and then again choose the center line and convert them into a center line. Using line type scale, you can change the spacing between the lines. The last part is the dimensioning. So go to annotation, select linear dimensioning, dimension the front view and the top view and the right side view, but remember, don't over dimension. Select radius for the arc and diameter for the circle. Press enter. the active command that you're using previously will be reactive again. Now using the dim style command, go to modify, go to the text and choose the ISO standard, and on the fit ribbon change the overall scale to 2, press OK, set current, close. So your dimension will be visible in the model space. Now the part is go to the layout tab, turn off the grid, and again pressing you will have go into the paper space. One thing is missing is the dimension. Select all the dimension and convert them into a dimension layer you have created before. Convert them into a dimension line. Then go to the layout tab. You will see a visible difference between the visible line and the hidden line, dimension line. All of them are visible. So make sure your dimension is in dimension line layer. The last part is how to take out the print of it. Go to the tab and select the print option. The window is pop up. Go to the DWG to PDF and make sure your page is in A4 size and it is in the layout tab. Apply to layout, press OK. Give the name of your drawing. And save wherever you want it to be. It will